So right now you can see that this is the web version of Terabox, and let's say what I want to do now is go ahead and download out the Terabox desktop app so that I can sync up the files and manage the files that I have on my computer. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your profile. Let me just go around over here onto Personal Center, and over here on the top you can see that Get App is an option. So here you can see that you can go ahead and download different versions. Like for Android, you can download Terabox APK. There's Tera AI Pix PC version right here, but this is what we want, Terabox for PC. So let's just go ahead right here and click, and then you can see that this is what you have. But if you want Terabox for different platforms, then you can see that you can get it from Google Play, from Apple Store for iOS, and you even have the Mac version, Linux version, as you can see right here. But since I want it for PC itself, let me just go ahead and click on free download right here, just like this, and then you can choose where you want to save the download, and then click on save right here, and the Terabox installer file right here will be downloaded right here, just like this, for you to install it out onto your computer, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and download Terabox desktop application right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and download it from Microsoft right here, which says Terabox for PC right here. And you can even go ahead and view it in Microsoft Store right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and install it out from over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and download Terabox desktop application as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.